All right, so good morning. I am at my favorite river. I came here like uber early. Like it's probably the earliest I've ever been here. Um, I'm gonna throw some jerk baits and hopefully get on some smallies or largemouth or whatever basically. But I am after smallie this morning, and hopefully we can get on some. I'm gonna wait in the car for 10-15 minutes, and sorry you can't see me. Got my lights on. It's still dark as heck, but yeah, I'm gonna wait for the sun to come up just a little bit, and then head on up on the trail and see if we can get on some. All right, stay tuned. So I got here at 6, and right now it's 6:56, and the sun still isn't up. This is morning time, and the sun still isn't up. I've been seeing some little bit of action in the water here by some fish. I'm not gonna let this chance pass. I think it's pike up in the shallows here. And when I pulled up, I was getting out of my car, saw a pack of, coyotes or wolves. I really couldn't tell because it's dark out, but coyotes or wolves. And I'm glad I pack heat when I go fishing, just in case. All right, got the white chatterbait with I think it's, I don't know what kind of, tell you the truth, I don't know what kind of swim bait that is. It's a 4-inch, I think a saucy swimmer maybe. I just had a pike swipe at it like 3 feet in front of me. Got him. What is it? What is it? That's a bass. It's a nice sized bass too. Holy man. Come on there, guy. Oh, this is a big one, man. This has got to be a 3-pounder. Come on, dude. Yeah, this is a big one right here. Can't get the hook out. There you go. Look at that guy. That's a tank, man. Let me get a weight on him. I'm gonna say he's probably 2.5, maybe 3 pounds. If I can get my fanny pack. I know, dude. I'll let you go. There we go. All right, we got 3. Decent 3-pounder on the white chatterbait. Go back home. Not too bad, man. Oh, there's something hanging out there. Oh. The white chatterbait with, I'm gonna say it's saucy swimmer. I don't know, I bought it years ago. Guys, see that big deer right there? go, man. That's a beautiful, beautiful deer. Scaring up my fish. It just goes to show how shallow it is out there. Come on, guy. You can do it. You can do it. Get up on that bank. Oh, there he goes. All right. That was beautiful, man. I was over here swearing because I'm losing lures and missing the beautiful scenery in front of me. All right, now we got, I don't know if you can see it, it's right there. Now we got a bald eagle hunting. All right, now the only thing I'll top today off would be seeing Bigfoot. And then I could go home and retire, go Sasquatch hunting. I'm throwing this jerkbait on. I'm gonna I'll go Sasquatch hunting or whatever, squatching. Trying to cast this into the rapids so it pushes the lure out further. Oh, got him. Oh, yeah. Sucker. That's a decent fish. Come on. Hit it off the top, too, man. Oh, that's a decent fish. All right, come on, guy. Decent smallie, man. Another blue smallie. This guy's a heavy chunker, dude. Oh, you son of a gun. Yeah, another smallie. Yeah, I mean, I love this blue color on him. It's a beautiful fish. He's about a good pound and a half. All right, now I am happy. Like I said, my day is satisfied with all that's happened. You know, 3 pound largie, pound and a half, maybe 2 pound smallie, a deer, eagle, pack of wolves. It's just been a pretty great day on the river. Back at the home base, just wrapped it up. All right, so had a pretty successful day today, pretty weird day, pretty awesome morning, sorry. You know, seeing a pack of wolves, a deer cross the river, saw an eagle hunting, which was awesome, and then caught 2 fish, caught a decent sized largemouth and a decent sized smallie. All in all, it's a pretty productive day, and you know, since weather's getting cold, I think this is gonna probably be the only spot I do fish. If I end up fishing some more, will be this spot here. Well, thank you for watching. If you like this video, you can like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you want, but I really appreciate you guys watching, and I appreciate you guys, you know, your support. And you know, I love all you guys. And if this is my last time fishing, I will still be watching you guys. So keep it up. All right, you guys have a good day.